This image is in RAW format, and I brightened it using the fastest method, but I ran into some color noise. Now, let me show you how to fix it. Simple, useful. And then we'll jump right into color correction. Photoshop gives us several ways to brighten a photo, but this method is quick and works well. First, press Ctrl+J to duplicate your image layer. Then, change the blend mode from normal to screen. If it's not bright enough, press Ctrl+J again, as many times as needed. Too bright, just lower the opacity. Done. Great. Now press Ctrl+Shift+E to merge visible. Now I'll zoom in. You'll notice some color noise. To fix it, go to Camera Raw Filter. And in the Detail panel, adjust the noise reduction sliders. Here's an important tip for color correction in Selective Color. Only work with the colors that are actually present in your image. For this one, I see red, yellow, neutrals, and black. So I'll just adjust red and neutrals. With this technique, you can quickly enhance cold tones, warm tones, or even give your photo a cinematic feel.